Dark secret. I used to have dark underarms. This affected my confidence because I do love taking pictures. I do love posing in front of the camera. I feel limited and there's the fear of being judged and being talked about. Over the past years, I have tried different whitening products, organic or home remedies, but I feel like the more I try too hard, the darker my underarm gets. So this is actually a very basic, everyday underarm routine. I did a shoot 2 years ago with friends and I love this pic so much that I posted it on my IG. Still, I got a comment from a colleague at work how dark my underarm is. I remember responding, "The world has bigger problems other than me posting my dark underarms on social media. And at least I have a beautiful soul." Though I feel like I have backed myself up with that type of unsolicited comment, it's easy to be conscious as a woman about these things. And so, I use my hair sometimes as props. So I thought of sharing my basic everyday underarm routine and how it helped me brought back my confidence. And without further ado, let's get into the video. The use of chemicals and perfumes. I stopped using heavily scented deodorants. I leaned towards more natural products. I was using these Deonat or Fungi deodorants in the Philippines and I'm glad I found something similar in Germany, which is Crystal. Tawas or alum is primarily used to control sweating and body odor. It is also known for its whitening effect. Moisturize. After shower before going to bed, I apply a thin amount of oil on my underarms. Currently, I'm using this marula oil. Aloe vera gel is a good option too. Both are easily absorbed by the skin. Moisturizing underarms can be helpful to prevent further irritation, especially if you block or shave. Let your underarms breathe. If I don't have work and I'd only be staying all day at home, I refrain from using deodorant. Tight clothing, especially in the underarms area, can also irritate our skin. The key is to let it breathe. Shaving or plucking underarms too often may cause dark underarms due to irritation, especially if it's done improperly and you do not moisturize after shaving or plucking. I have invested in IPL or Intense Pulse Light technology. Let me know if you're interested so I can make a video of it. The use of organic products. I guess there is a misconception about it that as long as it's organic, it is good or it is safe. I would suggest to use it on precaution. I have tried using lemon, baking soda on my underarms and it just aggravated my hyperpigmentation. What worked for some may not work for you and vice versa. We all have different skin types, so be cautious when you try these things. If it irritates more than it helps, best to discontinue. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Cheers!